Here at ABB Striebel John, we are a global manufacturer of energy distribution solution, and we provide solutions for the panel builder and wholesaler business. As we had to renew our complete metering enclosure portfolio, it was necessary to replace the outdated machinery and to do the next step in automation. So productivity was in focus and also to improve the quality of the product.
The production line had to have a high level of automation. And combining that high level of automation with a very diverse product portfolio, that's a challenge. Because the products differ in height, they differ in length, they differ in depth. Making that all an automated process where you have to do a lot of adjustments in the line. And you don't want people to touch the product and the machine, but you want to do it all automatically.
During the project planning phase, we were in constant exchange with AWL. They reacted very clear and good to our input, and together we found this solution, what we see now in the facility, and we are happy with the solution.
So what's really important of an automated production line like this is not only to focus on one process, like the welding, but actually the whole process. So also the logistics of the whole line, like the parts are being fed by the WEMO bending line through conveyors, and the robots are picking from the conveyor belts. All of that has to be done automatically. So picking from the two robots is like dancing. They are picking the parts from the conveyor belts. They have to place the parts in the jig, and all of that has to be in the right sequence. So what was also very important for ABB Striebel John was to have a cosmetically-looking great product. And laser welding there was the solution. So we could make a clean laser weld, and after it you don't have to touch it anymore. It's ready to go to the paint shop right away.
In the past, ABB and AWL have developed together laser welding with robots. It's great to see that we have implemented that technology here at ABB Striebel John. So the use of robotics in automation system is going to increase significantly the coming period of time. They're going to be more flexible, more intelligent, more efficient.
This was the first step in terms of automation. We will go further in that direction. So we have to gain productivity to get a better position on the market.